We're coming up on the autumn season with root veggies, and of course carrots are always readily available. So this is Cathy's Creative Carrot Concoction. I sauteed onion and celery with a little bit of garlic, added the carrots, a little broth, and just simmering them low. And now the fun part. You can kick it up a notch with cayenne pepper. You can make it more Tex-Mex with cumin and coriander. You can make it curry style with a little coconut cream. You can add smoked paprika, which is delightful. And of course, the Italian seasonings are always prominent in my kitchen, which is why I buy the big container. This is something you may want to try. It's a nut and spice blend that I get at Trader Joe's called Duca. Or if you want to just keep it simple, get a little grinder for your sesame seeds. And of course, I added some wonderful seaweed granules to that to give it a mineral kick. Let's get ready for some warm foods as the cold weather approaches. My time is up. Buon appetito.